Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're ready to turn your hustle into an official business, today I'm going to walk you step by step on how to apply for your LLC online using the Secretary of State's website. This process is easier than you think, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Screen share and all. So let's get started. Grab your notepad and let's get it. First, you will head over to your Secretary of State's website. I am located in Texas, so I'm going to go to my state site, which is sosdirect.sos.state.tx.us. This is the official site to file your LLC in Texas. Once you're here, you're going to enter the site. Now, if you don't have an account, you will create one. Just click on Request a SOS Direct Account, fill out your information, and they'll email you your login credentials. Once you're in, we're ready to get started and filing. For entity type, select Domestic Limited Liability Company because you're starting a new LLC in Texas. The filing type is going to be Certificate of Formation. Type your desired LLC name. Make sure it ends in LLC and double check that it's not already taken by performing a name availability search. You want to add your mailing address. You'll need a registered agent with a Texas address. This can be you, someone you trust, or a professional service. Indicate whether your LLC is managed by one manager, multiple managers, or all members. For me, I don't have any supplemental provisions, so I will just select continue. Organizer, this is the person filing the paperwork. Add your name and your address. Signature of organizer, that will be me. You can either choose to have your LLC be effective immediately or on a future date. Mine's, I want it effective immediately, so I'm going to leave the date blank. But if you wanted to delay the date, you can put a future date here. All right. So at this point, you will digitally sign, review your form, and move on to payment. Texas charges a $300 filing fee to register an LLC. Once you pay, you'll receive a confirmation email and your documents will be processed, usually within 2 to 3 business days if you filed online. And that's it. Once approved, you will receive your certificate of formation and your LLC will officially be active. The next step is to apply for your EIN on irs.gov. Be sure to include your business name, including LLC at the end when applying. Finally, you can apply for your business bank account and operate legally as an LLC. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more business tips and drop a comment below if you have any questions about LLCs or want to see more videos on EINs, business credit, business funding, or tax strategies. Also, if you want one-on-one help starting your business or even taking your business to the next level, check the description for my mentorship program and digital tools that'll save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.